Hello Globetrotters and fitness enthusiasts, welcome back to the TravelZm channel. Today, we're setting our sights on a topic that combines the best of both worlds, a workout routine designed specifically for solo female travelers. We all know how crucial it is to maintain our health and fitness, even more so when on the road. This routine is your ticket to staying fit and energized, ensuring your travels are always an adventure, never a chore. So without further ado, let's dive into the workout routine. Before we start any workout, warming up is crucial. It's like preparing your body for the journey it's about to embark on. Without a good warm-up, your muscles are like cold rubber bands, more susceptible to injury and less likely to perform at their best. So why is warming up so important? Firstly, it gradually increases your heart rate and circulation, which will, in turn, loosen up the joints and increase blood flow to the muscles. This helps to reduce muscle soreness and lessen your risk of an injury. Secondly, a warm-up can mentally prepare you for your workout. It gives you a few moments to focus, to visualize the workout ahead, and to start connecting with your body. Let's talk about a few simple warm-up exercises. Jogging in place is a great start. It gets your heart rate up and your muscles warmed. Stretching is also key. It can help improve flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. Now that we're all warmed up, let's get into the workout. The first part of our workout routine focuses on strength training. Now, strength training is a crucial part of any workout routine, and it doesn't have to be complicated or require any fancy equipment. In fact, you can do it anywhere, even if you're on the road. Let's get started with our first exercise, push-ups. Push-ups are great for working out the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start in a high plank position, with your hands directly under your shoulders. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor. Push yourself back up to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. If traditional push-ups are too challenging, you can modify them by doing them on your knees or against a wall. Next up, squats. An excellent exercise for the lower body. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, push your hips back, and bend your knees as if you're sitting back into a chair. Keep your chest up and your knees over your toes. Push through your heels to stand back up. Again, aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Our last strength training exercise for the day is lunges. Lunges work your hips, glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, and the hard-to-reach muscles of the inner thigh. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Take a step forward with your right foot and lower your body until your right knee is at a 90-degree angle. Push through your right heel to rise back up and step back to the starting position. Repeat with the left leg. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps on each side. Remember, the key to these exercises is form, not speed. Take your time and make sure you're doing each exercise correctly to avoid injury and get the most benefit. Also, make sure to hydrate and take breaks if you need to. Listen to your body, it knows what it can handle. That's it for the strength training part. Let's move on to cardio. Now, let's get our heart rates up with some cardio. This is where the fun really begins. Cardiovascular workouts, or simply cardio, are great for burning calories, improving heart health, and boosting your overall mood. And the best part? You can do them anywhere, anytime. Perfect for all you globetrotters out there. Let's start with jumping jacks. This classic move is a full-body workout that gets your blood pumping. Stand with your feet together and your hands at your sides. Then, in one fluid motion, jump your feet out to the sides and swing your arms above your head. Quickly reverse the movement and return to the starting position. Try to do as many as you can in 1 minute. And remember, keep that energy up. Next up, high knees. This exercise targets your core, improves balance, and gets your heart rate soaring. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Quickly bring one knee up towards your chest as high as you can, and then swiftly bring it down while simultaneously lifting the other knee. It's like running in place but with your knees reaching for the sky. Again, aim for 1 minute of high knees. Finally, we have burpees. Yes, they can be challenging, but they are also incredibly effective. Start in a standing position. Drop into a squat. Place your hands on the ground and kick your feet back into a plank position. Do a push-up, jump your feet back to your hands, then leap into the air with your arms reaching upwards. That's 1 burpee. Aim for as many as you can do in 1 minute. Remember, the goal here is to keep moving. Don't worry if you can't keep up with the pace. It's more important to maintain good form and listen to your body. If you need to take a brief break, that's perfectly fine. Great job on the cardio. Let's finish up with some cool-down exercises. This part of your workout is just as essential. Cooling down helps bring your heart rate and breathing back to normal, and may also help prevent injury. So stay tuned for the next segment where we dive into some effective cool-down exercises. After a solid workout, it's important to let our bodies cool down. Cooling down allows your heart rate and breathing to return to normal gradually. It also helps to prevent muscle stiffness and soreness, setting you up for your next workout or adventure. A few simple cool-down exercises can be just as effective as any high-intensity workout. Light stretching is a great way to start. It helps to increase flexibility and range of motion. A few light stretches targeting all major muscle groups can do wonders. Deep breathing exercises are another effective cool-down technique. They help to slow your heart rate and relax your body. Just sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take deep, slow breaths. Feel the air filling your lungs and then slowly exhale. Repeat this for a few minutes, and you'll feel a sense of calm washing over you. Let's quickly recap our workout routine. We started with a warm-up, moved on to 2 parts of an engaging workout routine, and now we're ending with a cool-down. This comprehensive routine is designed to keep you fit and active, even when you're on the road. It's flexible, adaptable, and can be done anywhere, anytime. The benefits of this routine for solo female travelers are numerous. It not only keeps you physically fit but also boosts your mood and energy levels, making your travel experience even more enjoyable. Remember, staying fit on the road is not only possible but it's also fun and rewarding. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Before we say goodbye, we have a few things to share. We hope you've enjoyed this video and found our tips useful for staying fit while traversing the globe. If you did, why not show some love? Go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps us out. And if you think there are others who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it far and wide. Remember, TravelZm is your go-to source for all things travel and fitness related. So, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and have switched on notifications. That way you'll never miss out on our latest tips, tricks, and workout routines. We're constantly striving to bring you the best travel and fitness content, and your support means the world to us. We appreciate your support. Until next time, stay fit and keep exploring.